Hello, welcome to Casual English with Amy. Today, reading simple English sentences from some fun English worksheets. You can print these English worksheets out for free from my website. I'll give you that at the end of the video. So you can print these worksheets and use them as a learning tool. You can print them on the dotted line, scatter the pictures and sentences, and then match the pictures to the correct sentence. I see a duck. I see a horse. I see a cat. Repeat after me if you can. I see a lion. I see an owl. I see a snail. This is a frog. This is a fox. This is an ant. I see a bunny. I see a camel. I see a panda. I see a chicken. I see a deer. I see a bird. I see a turtle. I see a fish. I see a monkey. I see a bat. I see a dog. I see a pig. I see a cow. I see a mouse. I see a bee. I see a house. I see a school. I see a hospital. I see a couch. I see a chair. I see a bed. I see a car. I see a truck. I see a bicycle. I see an apple. I see a carrot. I see a pineapple. I see a rainbow. I see a tree. I see a plant. I see a mango. I see a kiwi. I see a peach. There's also a blank sheet. This one you can print it out and make your own sheets. Again, it's a free worksheet from my website. This is fun for the whole family. Okay, now we will look at 4 worksheets that are in black and white. This makes printing less expensive. Okay, read along with me. I like my toy. I like my bike. I like my house. I like my ball. I like my book. Please click the like and subscribe button. Okay, I see the moon. I see the sun. I see the stars. I see the rocket. I see the comet. I love my dog. I love my cat. I love my job. I love my family. I love my school. Again, please click that like button. It really helps me. Okay, I have a father. I have a mother. I have a brother. I have a sister. I have a baby. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed these worksheets. I have a lot of free resources on my website. It's casual-english.com. It will be up and available at the 1st of September, 2021. Clicking the like button and subscribing helps YouTube to think this video has value and may offer it to more people. So thank you so much. Bye for now.